small childhood, at the time Germany was there. So in the Germany, there are two groups are there. Okay, so Germany is having largest migrants people, same like as India. So if you see now example, now suppose if you see Syria, so Syria is in the war, so the peoples are unable to sustain there, unable to live there, so the peoples are shifting from Syria to other countries. Okay, so that is called as migration, migrating from Syria to other countries. So like that here, Israel was there. So Israel country was there and Palestine was there. It is called just a Palestine or Palestine. So Palestine and Israel, both countries are fighting each other. But here in the Israel, there are some Christians group are there, that is called as Jews. Okay, Jews. And also in the Palestine, they are called as Arabs. So Arabs and Jews, both are Christians only. In the Christians only, there are two communities, Arabs and Jews. Okay, so now here Jews are there. So these Jewish people, they are, so these Israel and Palestine, both are fighting each other. Okay, for the sake of country. As Israel is very small country, so complete Palestine was occupied by Israel. So before going to that, when the Israel was there, Israel was completely occupied by Palestine, and once again, now present day, Palestine was completely occupied by Israel. So like this conflict is going on. But here Jews were there. So Jewish people are facing very lot of troubles because they are not having any peace. So that's why they want to migrate to other countries. So these Jewish people, they have migrated to Germany. Okay, and they migrated to Germany and they settled in the Germany. So many Jews people, when the war is going on, so they migrated to Germany. Okay, so in the German, so if you see around the world, the Jewish population is very less. Okay, so Jewish population is very less. Why means because so Jews are hated people, hated by all people of the world, hated by all people of the world. Why these peoples are hated means, so they doesn't have any country, only just one single country was there, that is called as Israel. Now it is very powerful country, top 10 countries and top 7 countries, we can see Israel as a powerful country. So Israel is having total Jews. So Jewish peoples does not like by the rest of the world people. Why means because here in the exam they may ask one question, why the Jewish peoples are not liked by throughout the people, means because here when that is Jesus Christ was there. Jesus Christ has born in the Jewish people, so he belongs to Jewish family. Total, if you see these Christian families, they came from Jews. Okay, even the Jesus Christ also born in the Jewish family. But in spite of this, so Jesus Christ was crucified. Okay, crucified on the cross. By whom? By Jews only. Though Jesus Christ was born here, so the God was born. Example, okay, the God was born in the on the earth, but the Jews are the responsible persons who has responsible for crucifixion of these Jesus Christ. So that's why the rest of the world, they will hate the Jews because Jews are responsible for persons for crucifixion of Jesus Christ. So that's why the total world has hating these Jews because they have crucified the God. Okay, so like that, so the Jews are not allowed by any country. So here when the conflict is going on, only Germany is allowing. So that's why in the Germany, so mainly two groups are there. One is the Arabs, the next one is the Jews. So here, Jews and Arabs are the two people. Example, if you take India, in India we can see mainly two religions. One is Hindus, next Muslims. Of course, next other religions also is there, but the top religions are these two. Okay, 80% of Indian population belongs to Hindus, and 15% of Indian population belongs to Muslims, and rest of the 5% are remaining other. But here the top peoples are these. So like that here, Arabs and Jews are settled in the Germany. Now this Hitler was there. Okay, so Hitler has also made a lot of trouble. Okay, so that means what? So here these Jews, Hitler want to kill all the Jews throughout the world. Okay, so no Jew must be alive on the earth. So that is the decision taken by Hitler. But immediately he can't kill directly. But there should be some prosecution for this. So that's why he was making Jews as the prosecuted people. Okay, and they should be killed. So like that he decided. But that is not the correct way. Actually, on this earth, every people have the freedom to live. Okay, not only the Jews, not only the Arabs, like that. So based on one small thing, we can't make them to kill all the people. Okay, suppose if you think that the tigers are harmful to human beings, then we can't kill all the tigers on the earth surface. Okay, like that. So this is not the correct way. But here Hitler followed this policy, which is not correct for the world, present day world. Okay, so that when that was the thing is there, so Hitler followed this world policy, that is he want to kill all the Jews. But in those days the world did not accept this one. So Jews also should have some country to live in this world, as they are the families of this Jesus Christ. Okay, so why this hated means because they are the responsible person for killing of this God, that is on the crucifixion. So Hitler also does not like the Jews because of this reason. Okay, so all these are the reasons. So at this time, okay, yes. So at this time, what happened means, see here, when the Hitler just you discuss this one. So Hitler is one of the small person, small boy. When he was small boy, he was dreaming that he want to occupy total world. Okay, total world. He want to conquer total world when he was a small boy. But later when he was a small boy, that is the first thing. The other thing to notice is when he was a small boy, his mother was there. So in the Germany also, two groups are fighting each other, Arabs and Jews, same like as India. Okay, so Arabs and Jews means like say, suppose if you take India example, so these two groups are fighting each other. One is Muslims and Muslims and Hindus. So like that here, Arabs and Jews are fighting each other. In this conflict, when Hitler was a small boy, so his mother was killed by one of the Jewish person. Accidentally, in a conflict, he was killed by a Jewish person. So that's why Hitler, he was hating the Jews for two things. One is his mother was killed by one of the Jewish person, and the other thing is the Jews are responsible for crucifixion of Jesus Christ. So Jesus Christ crucified. So that is the main responsible persons are Jews. So that's why for these two reasons, so Hitler want to kill all the Jews who are present in the Germany. Okay. So later we'll discuss this one. So before going to that, so in the World War One, so Hitler also participated in the World War One as a soldier, just as a common soldier. Okay. Next later, so he became one of the. So we'll see that step by step. Okay. So here, okay, just to move forward. Yes. So here we can see this Hitler. So this is the photo of Hitler. Okay.